I got that la 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 la. Pull up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys already saw by the title, I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial today, and it has been the most requested one, so I already did it, I already filmed it, and hope you guys enjoy and like it, and comment and share it with your friends if you want. Okay, and just stay tuned to my next videos. And I also did this look for the video for beginners. Hope you guys enjoy and like it. And that's it. And bye. And first I'm going to be applying this gel by E.l.F. And what this is going to do is going to help your eyebrows stay longer and keep them on place. Next, I'm going to be grabbing this angle brush and this pomade, and it's by Beauty Creations. Okay, now with the pomade, I'm going to be lining underneath my brow.
On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
And on the top, I'm just going to be doing the same technique, and I'm going to connect the top with the bottom one.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, and then I'm just going to fill in my brow.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Next, I'm going to take my spoolie and brush my brow.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Next, I'm going to take this pencil, and it's in the color black, and I'm going to use it in the tail of my brow to make it darker.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I'm just going to fill in the front, and I'm just using a light hand. Next, I'm going to be using these two concealers to clean up my brow, and also this brush by E.l.F.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
top one, I'm going to be using this foundation by E.l.F. And what this is going to do is just going to make it look cleaner and sharper.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm just going to be going back with the E.l.F. gel and apply it again. Like I said before, it helps you keep them on place.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in them.
And now I'm just going to be doing the same process as I did on the other eyebrow.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So this is it, you guys. This is how I achieve my eyebrows. I mean, they're not perfect, but this is how I do them. And yeah, I mean, make sure you like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And this is it, you guys. Bye.
Horizon, turn us to thousands.